right, guys, I'm here with Jeff from Jandy, and he's going to go over this new heater. So, how you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Good. So let's talk about this thing.
Yeah, thanks for being here. So this is the newest addition to our Jandy JXi heater line. This is the ASME certified version of it.
Okay.
The main things that you can notice right away when you look at this heater is it's still the same great JXi that people have grown to love over the last 4 years.
Okay.
It's one of the fastest growing heaters in the marketplace right now. Fantastic serviceability. Still got all the same great features that we talked about with the JXi. The main difference here is you've now got a bronze header, which has all certification now for ASME, same hookups as some of our previous ASME certified heaters as well. So a lot of the same parts, a lot of the same stuff gets used again. And then the other big difference is inside of the heat exchanger, this is now a fully ASME certified tubes. So you'll notice that the tubes are a little bit thicker. You would actually have to cut it apart to notice it. So you're not going to see it right here, but the tubes are a little bit thicker because they are ASME certified tubes as well.
Nice.
The rest of it is still all the same gas valves, same parts. So a lot of the stuff that people are already buying and using, same great heater.
So they're familiar with the JXi. They're going to be very familiar with this one.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
It will fit in, drop in replacement. You know, the plumbing lines up with the current JXi. The plumbing also lines up with one of the biggest competitors on the marketplace as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing that information, Jeff. I appreciate it.
Yeah, anytime.
All right, great.